my channel. Thank you for clicking on today's video. Today I am sharing 5 ways to style a basic white t-shirt. In my wardrobe, my white t-shirt is absolutely essential. I wear it almost every other day because it's really good quality, super soft and comfortable to wear, and it can be worn in so many different ways. So today I'm showing you guys my 5 favorite ways of styling them. Let's get started. One of my favorite ways to style my white t-shirt is with a pair of camel wide leg pants. These are a high-waisted style, so they really allow me to show off my figure a little bit, and they're really flattering as well, especially for petites. This is also a great look to wear across seasons. You can layer in the fall and winter, or you can just wear the t-shirt and pants in the spring and summer. This next look is definitely more on the professional business casual side because I've paired it with this blazer and it's definitely got those structured shoulders, and with a pointed toe kitten heel it also just adds that bit of sophistication, but it's not too fancy because of the jeans. This one is probably one of my favorites. You guys know that I love to tie my cardigans around my shoulders. This is definitely more of a casual look because I've paired the pants with my Chuck 70s, which are a little bit more of a platform than the regular Converse. They're also high-waisted, which makes them great for the winter and fall, and this is something that you can just throw any coat over and head out the door in. Whenever I'm in a rush and I'm maybe not sure what to wear, this is something that's super easy to put on. It's very comfortable, and yet I feel super put together when I wear this outfit. I love the mix of the tailored blazer plus the sneakers, and I think it's just the perfect business casual outfit. This next look is something that I put on without any thought at all. You can't go wrong with those black essential pieces, and I love the mix of the Chuck 70s with the more tailored pieces because it's the perfect balance of casual and sophisticated. There you have it, my friends. Those are the 5 different ways that I love to style my white t-shirt. I hope you enjoyed this video or found it helpful. And as always, if you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't done so already. Before I close out, I do want to know, are you guys more of a white t-shirt person, or do you prefer to wear black t-shirts? Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.